Hi teacher, my name is Stephanie Calderón Ayala. The assigned theme is monetary politics. Monetary politics. What it is? The disposition in the decision making about the aims of money and interest rate of the market. Objectives: stability of the value of money, higher rates of economic growth, full emergency about avoid imbalance in the balance of payments. Inclusive in politics, and expansive or restrictive. Expansive. In the market there is little money and circle. Is it applied in increase the amount of money? And restrictive politics is the market there is excessive money and circles. It is important to raise and taxes. Thank you.